thumbnail. Right. Extremely sorry, beta, for delay. So now, students, in today class, I'll discuss here only PYQs because, my dear, yesterday already I completed entire theory of units and dimensions. Right. So in today class here, I have a target to just solve the PYQs 2020 to 2026. Means there are many PYQs, but student, I'll solve those in which yeah, I can say 11th class kids comfortable, because this is a YouTube class only for 11th class kids, not for everyone. Means I can say, I mean to say everyone, it's okay, but condition those students I can say in 12th class. For I'll not take those classes, those concept based unidimension questions. I'll take those questions in which I can say 12th, 11th class feel comfortable to solve the questions. Right. So now, students, I can say first question here already in front of you. Just go through the question first. Go through question first. Every boys and girls, go through question first. Every boys and girls, go through question first here. Okay, kids, have a look questions here. What question says? The potential energy of a particle changes with distance x from a fixed origin as u, means beta energy expression mentioned here. U is equals to a root of x plus b, right? Beta here a and b both are constants are already mentioned in the questions. Dimensions of a, b are, beta we have to find product of a into b. My kids, we have to find product of a into b. Okay, so come here. How can we do? Come kids, how can we do here? My dear, it's very easy here. Very easy. If you are, my dear, I can say very much comfortable with the class notes and everything, so that beta you can do here very nicely. My dear, have a look here for the questions. This is, I said, I'll not take those PYQs in which 11th class will not comfortable. I'll take only those PYQs in which 11th class comfortable to solve the questions, kids. So be remember here. You will join physics one live session here. You will get at least one questions everywhere in all kinds of examinations, my kids. So but now here I'm going to solve this question step by step. Will help you to those newcomer, those don't have a basic grip in unit and dimensions, right? So this is what, my kids. Step one here. Beta, we wish to find basically dimensions of A and B. Beta, I said here in the classroom today itself. Beta, if we have a two different physical quantity in summation, what implies beta both has the same unit. Both has a same unit, beta. It's a theory here. So beta, first I'm writing expression of potential energy, that is U is equals to a root of x upon beta g, x plus beta. X plus b r, it's not beta. Students, it's what? You can say x plus b. So, bacha, first here, you can equate x is equals to b, so that you will get easily dimensional formula of b. And x is what? It's a length, distance here. So, you can write beta g, dimensional formula of v, nothing but it's a basically L. It's a basically L. Now we are babies to find A. So, how can we do? Sir, option D. My kids, I can solve, my dear. Then I can tell you, my kids. Maybe you are in 12th class here. Yes, because you were solving na kid, student capacity question by thick. So I can say you are in 12th class. Pretend sure. Now, students, I'm going to solve here. I can say step 2 for the questions. But I try to be separate here. A from the crowd. So you can see, bacha, this is u. But now just I'm doing a cross multiply u of x plus b upon beta g, root of x is equals to a. I can write here. Okay, you know beta x and b both have the same dimension, so no need to worry. You can write simply bacha. This is u and dimensional formula of x and b both remain same beta. So simply you can say this is what L. Now beta, this is, you can say this is root of x. This is what, my kids? Root of x. Okay, fine. Which is equals to a. Which is equals to a. I'll do here only bacha. Remaining part here. So now students, I'm going to just solve further here, which is step 3 for these questions. Which is step 3 for these questions. Okay. So U beta energy, potential energy here. I hope all of you remember potential energy dimensional formula. What I can say? M1 L2 T to the power minus 2 beta. And one more L over here. So simply beta, you can just multiply here this L. I'll beta manage in next class. Root of x here. So what you can say? It's nothing, sir. Basically, dimensional formula of distance and displacement here, which is remains same only, which is L to the power 1 by 2. You correct, my dear. You correct, everyone. Now, students, you can say A is equals to, I'll write here. Just I'll try to keep all L terms together. So L to the power 2 and L to the power 1 becomes L to the power 3. So you can say this is M1 L to the power 3 T to the power minus 2. And now beta, yeah, if this L bits go, will go, means come on numerator here. Denominator to numerator. So you can say this is L to the power minus 1 by 2. L to the power minus 1 by 2. Okay. So you can say, student, this is what? M1 3 minus 1 by 2 here. 3 to the 6. 3 to the 6 here. 3 to the 6 minus 1 beta. 5 by 2. You can say L to the power, this is 5 by 2 and T to the power no change here, minus 2 only. So finally beta, we got dimension of A, but we wanted to find A into B here. So what you can say? A into B, which is equals to B is what? L only. Okay, wonderful. Coming beta, Vedic beta coming here. M1 L to the power 5 by 2 plus 1 here, we can multiply B. So you can say 5 by 2 plus 1 T to the power minus 2. Answer is coming here. Very good beta, Vedic. Your answer is correct. Options D is correct answer. Vedic beta, option D is correct answer. Very good. Now beta, Vedic here, next questions. Kids beta, everyone, next question here. Come boys and girls. Again, bacha, this is what? JEE 2026. Students, again here, this is JEE 2026. Beta, just go through everyone thumbnail here. Go through everyone thumbnail. There is a mention here. Today I'll just discuss JEE 2026 to 2025 PYQs of unit dimension in which 11th class comfortable. Right? In which 11th class comfortable. I'll not take a 12th class things here. Basic. So what's the question, student? It's a very good question there. Which is, I can say the questions. I'll write once here. I'll write once. This is dimensions of, this is kids, dimensions of universal gravitational constant. Universal gravitational constant, capital G, in terms of oh, wrongly I have taken here. This is for 12th class. Okay, beta. We manage 11th class. I'll help here. In terms of Planck's constant. Planck's constant, this is what? H. Planck's constant, this is what, my dear? H. Distance L. Mass M. And time T R. But there are four options here. I'll write. This is H T L M to the power -2. Bombay Air H T to the power -1 L M to the power -2. Betaji Canada H T L to the power 2. And last Delhi for evergreen beta S to the power -1 T to the power -1 L M to the power -2. Okay. So sir, trying to clear backlog. Oh, very good. No, no, no. Good, beta. Then, beta, I can say for Vedic, I'll help you, right? Beta, Vedic, I can say usually, beta, every day. Beta, I'm taking personal tuition also, kids. So today I don't have a personal tuition yet. Usually timing was for personal tuition, usually 9 to 10. So, beta, today I was trying to take a class for 12th class, that is 8 to 9, 8 to 9:30, 1.5 hour. 8 to 9:30, and for 11th class 9:30 to 12 o'clock, right? You can say 11 o'clock like that. But there I got delay, so class I can say it has been extended here. But I'll help you, Bacha. You are a good candidate, beta. I'll help you. I'm looking at these kind of kids. Yes, I'm looking, Bacha. So that here I also wanted result, beta. I'll help, beta. I'll help kid. So have a look at solution. Beta, yesterday, if anyone here already was live stream classes or recorded here, already I uploaded. Everyone know, beta, what is the crux? What is, I can say, clue for the questions here? So, beta, this says clue is what? You must aware about conversion of unit, which study here I nicely explained. Conversion of unit. What, my kids? Conversion of unit here. You must, if you know, then you can do. Otherwise, there is no way to do this question here. There is no shortcut at all. But I'll teach better Vedic in nicely here so that you can also understand. If you don't know about this concept. So now, students, I can say Vedic. This is what step 1 beta. What question says here? Gravitational constant, bacha. Beta, this is gravitational constant which is depends on, beta, you can say that is what H, Planck's constant, distance L, mass M, and time T. Beta, these all are the factor here. So how can we do? Beta, S to the power A, L to the power B, M to the power C, and T to the power D. I'll write once here. G beta depends on H to the power A, L to the power B. This is B beta basic to solve the question. M to the power C and T to the power D. But here we have to find here A, B, C, and D. Here, we have to find A, B, C, and D. But this is the kind of question here already asking in advance also 2025. Same format of question. There are little changes here. There is a more, I can say, major part of 12th class. Right. But here, yeah, there is not a major part of 12th class. Only H is 12th class. Otherwise, everyone knows here because it's a part of chemistry as well also. So this is beta first step here, which I have done. Now, students, in step 2 kids, write down both side dimensional formula of every physical quantity. Write down. Okay. Write down write down dimensional formula of every physical quantity, both side. Right. So this is dimensional formula of G here. So how can you write? Yeah, this is G bacha. I need to solve here. So I'll use your formula of gravitational force. F is equals to G m1 m2 by r square. So you can write here G is equals to what? Newton meter square. That is kilogram square. So Newton bacha ji, you can write this is kilogram meter s to the power minus 2 beta. And this is meter cube here because meter square is there. This is what you can say beta g kilogram square here. Khupach. So g you can write beta g basically m to the power minus 1, l to the power q, and t to the power minus 2. T to the power minus 2. That is what? Beta g. That is what you can say beta g. Right. Remaining here, it's very easy for us here. We can go through this. Yes, but one Planck's constant, but I wanted to find here. So you can say beta this is a just giving name here for your sake of convenience. If anyone watching recorded here, so you can write bacha. That is what my kids beta z. Hmm. Tell me everyone. Okay, got it. Beta, I'm using your formula. E is equals to h mu. So h is Planck's constant here. So you can say h is equals to energy upon frequency. Frequency is what? 1 upon time period here. So you can say h is equals to this is what? Joule into second. So h you can write bacha for t. This is what? m1 l2 t to the power minus 1. Got it. Easy beta. We'll do further here. Now student, this all thing here we can fit over there. So what is g bacha ji? We g already found here. M to the power minus 1, L to the power 3, T to the power minus 2, which is equals to HA. So you can say beta, this is what? M1, L2, T to the power minus 1, minus 1 entire to the power A. Remaining easy bacha. L to the power B, M to the power C, and T to the power D. But I'll not do here because it's a good question. I'll do here only. Bacha, this is what kids? G. This is what my dear? G, which is equals to S to the power A. S to the power A. Then beta L to the power B. Now this is what? M to the power C. And this is what? T to the power D. There's Gispis here like that. Gispis. So what is G bacha? I already be found here. Already be found na kids. That is write down both side beta. So you can say m to the power minus 1, L to the power q, T to the power minus 2. I'll see beta once for confirmation. Correct beta. Okay. H beta what we found here? H is equals to m1 L2 T minus 1. M1 L2 T minus 1. Entire power A. Then beta G you can say here L to the power B, M to the power C, and T to the power D. T to the power D, right? Jai Sri Sama student, you got a delay to join the live class. Okay, now beta, step 1 and 2 finish beta. Okay, now here, I can say this is what kids? Step 3. Step 3 beta, crucial point. Step 3 kids, crucial point, right? So beta ji just both of the sides here separate identical quantity. Beta ji no need to worry about LHS because it's a beta in LHS here we have only one quantity of all. So simply beta I can write here this is m to the power minus 1, L to the power 3, and t to the power minus 2. Then beta ji, you can say here m to the power a plus c. M bacha party L to the power 2a. L to the power 2a. Right. Then beta plus b. L finish here. Then beta ji, t to the power minus a plus d. Okay, done here. Now bacha party just will solve beta further here. In step 4. In step 4, what's my kids step 4 here? Be remember. Beta equate identical power here. So you can say, sir, in LHS, we have m to the power minus 1. And beta in RHS here, m to the power, this is a plus c. Simply beta, solve here, everyone. So you can write beta, first equation here, a plus c, which is equals to minus 1. Let us say equation number 1. Next beta, in LHS here, we have L to the power 3. And in RHS, L to the power 2a plus b. Right here, equation number 2. 2a plus b is equals to 3, equations number 2. Third beta, in LHS here, we have t to the power minus 2. And this is t to the power minus a plus d. So you can write minus a plus d is equals to minus 2, equations number 3rd. Oh, wonderful. But interesting. But add here, equation number, add, students, add equation first and third. Then you can see beta, a and a kopach. You can do beta here. A plus c is equals to minus 1. And this is minus a plus d is equals to minus 2. Kopach. So you can write here. You can write kids here. C plus d is equals to minus 3. C plus d is equals to minus 3 here. Perfect. Okay. C plus d is equals to minus 3. Then bacha ji, we can use here some terms from here, A and B. This is terms, no? So we'll get here B and D relation. We'll get bacha B and D relation. How? Beta be patient here. Also bacha party, don't worry. Beta, this is, you can say 2A plus B is equals to 3. This is minus here. I'm multiplying by beta 2. So you can see minus 2A plus 2D, which is equals to minus 4. Again here, kopach. So you can say basically B plus 2D is equals to minus 1. B plus 2D is equals to minus 1. Okay, but we can get here D value from here and we can feed over here. Right. Or you can do one thing also. Beta what? You can write here D in terms of AB. So beta, if I'll use your equation number 3rd, then what we can say? What can I say? Minus this is plus d minus a is equals to minus 2. So d you can write here minus 2 plus a. This d beta we can feed over there in this equation here. Or you can say, you can give name here 3. You can say equations number 4. You can say equations number 5. This is what? Equations number 6. How about Chapati? So you can say d is minus 2 plus a. I'll feed over there in equations number 4. So this is what? C plus D is equals to minus 3. So this is C minus 2 plus A plus D is equals to minus 3. Oh, AD relation we have. Oh, got it. Here. Here, what's party? We can get here. So you can see C minus 2 plus A plus D. Correct, na yaar? Is equals to 3. Here you can see here minus A plus D. So minus a plus d. Just be arranged here. Just mathematics only, beta. A plus d plus c is equals to, you can say 3 plus 2, 5. You can say 3 plus 2, 5. Right. Okay. Come to the point. A plus d plus c is equals to 5 here. So equations number this. AC relation we have. Oh, got it. Got it. Mere hero. A plus c is minus 1. So I can say this is what? D minus 1 is equals to 5. So we got here D is equals to 6. We got D is equals to 6. Once beta will get D here, then we'll get A from here only. Yeah, it's a question here. Interesting. D is equals to beta minus 2 plus A. D got here 6. So 6 is equals to minus 2 plus A. So will 8. A beta will get area. A bacha 8. D is equals to 6. A is equals to 8 and D is equals to 6. A is equals to 8 and D is equals to 6. But have a look questions here. Okay. Everything we did correct. Still, why not we are getting answer? Okay, we can solve further. We got A and D. C and B beta we have find further. So A and D beta we have here. So if I can say A is equals to 8. I'm using equation number 2. So 2A plus B is equals to 3 here. 2 8 is 16. 16 plus B 3 bacha. So B can say minus 13. I don't know how this is. Approach beta just be remember here. Will take time. Approach is this bacha party. You can say simply equator both sides and write down bacha dimension formula. Equator will get answer. Let it be. So this is beta I can say 2026 here. Now students, I'm going to give you I can say question from what 2025. I can check once here. Give me seconds. I'll see. Yes. Okay. I can say answer key of this question here. That is, someone said, oh, got option B correct, Vedic. Vedic beta option B is correct only. Vedic bacha, option B is correct only here. Yes, sir. Option B is correct only. So beta, I can say in 2026 here. We don't have a questions, right? Yes, questions we have, but those questions which are not relevant for you, no, that is a problem. For 11th class, yeah, that question is not relevant. Yes. We have many questions, but that is not a part of, I can say, students for 11th class kids. For 11th class kids. I'll do later. I'll do later. We have a question, but that is, I can say, either error or you can say, which maybe questions from 12th class topic here. I don't want to involve anyone in 12th class of 11th class kids unnecessary, or it will, I can say, like, confuse. Okay. We do students 2025 here. Yes. So 2025, what's the questions here? You can see questions here only here. I don't want to hide anything. Beta, this is the question here. Question number 61. It's a 2025. It's a 2025. Students, it's a questions here 2025. Have a look questions here. Oh, literally not visible for you. Right now, it's not visible. I'll read what's a question. What question says? The position of a particle moving on x axis is given as x as a function of t as mentioned. Where t is the time, we have to find dimensions of a, b, c by d. Okay, come beta. So what is question, my kids? It's a 2025 year. Let it be this page here. We have to start fresh page. Yes, kids. This is JEE 2025. Beta, what is the expression mentioned here? X as a function of time t. So this is A sin t, B cos square t, C t square plus d. Beta, where t is time here? Mentioned in the questions. Find A, B, C by D. I'm writing option kids. L3 t to the power minus 2. Bombay beta. This is L square. Canada student. L2 t to the power minus 2. Delhi, that is what L. Come beta. Okay. So kids, what is the concept here? Yesterday I said these all point bacha per day. Yesterday kids I said here, how can we do this kind of question bacha, right? This is a bit I note point. Yesterday I gave one note here. Yesterday or last day study, I don't know about. Dimension of all trigonometric ratio is what? Dimensionless. There is no dimension for trigonometric ratio. So student, for solution here, have look of the solution kits. What you can say? X is equals to this. X is equals to this. Everything here, because these all are in summation. So simply beta, it's a sin t here. So you can say X is equals to A. X is equals to, you can write kids, that is what A. X is equals to, write kids, that is what A. You can write here because this is no, because we remember everyone. X is a what? Displacement. X is what? Displacement. Right, bacha? So these entire terms here, how can you do? Bacha ji, equate. X is equals to A. So what is the dimensional formula of A? That is what? Nothing here. L to the power 1. Again here you can say X is equals to B also. Because you know sin t is dimensionless. Cos square t is dimensionless. So you can say beta for B dimensional formula. This is remains L1. X bacha ji. Then you can say X is equals to CT square. X is equals to CT square. We wanted to find C here. So you can see C is equals to basically T square by X. So that is what? T to the power 2 by L. So dimension of C can write here L to the power minus 1 and T to the power 2. But the last year, you can say X is equals to D. So D dimension, bacha, you can say that is what remains L. But we wanted to find here, I can say A, B, C product by D. A, B, C product by D. So A, B, C here, A, B, C, just do beta. Everyone, A, B, C by D. A, B, C by D. So what is A, B, C, bacha? A is what? L to the power 1. B is what? Again here, L to the power 1. And C is what? L minus 1, T to the power 2. Beta, keep together here, this all. D beta remains L only. So you can say Khopach, 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 T to the power 2. Any option is there? But T to the power 2, there is no option at all. Huh. Think once. Goes up. T to the power 2 only here. Wait, check. X is equal to C. C is what? Oh, Vedic. Wrong, na beta. C is what? You can say X by T square. So this is L to the power 2 minus 2 here. So this is wrong. I'll write beta again here. That is A, B, C by D. So A is what? L to the power 1. B is what? L to the power 1. C is what? L to the power 1 and T to the power minus 2. And D is what? Remains L here. So now you can say this is cancelled. So finally you can write what's a party L to the power 2 and T to the power minus 2. L to the option C, correct. Correct. Vedic, correct beta. Correct here. Option C is correct answer. Option C is correct answer. Option C is correct answer. Good beta. Have a look at next question. My kids, have a look at next question. Again here, 2025. But I'll read question once here. But question number 6.2. The energy E, momentum P of a moving body of a mass M are related by some equation. Okay, given that C represents the speed of light. Identify the correct statement. E is equals to mc square. E is equals to mc square. Yeah, let it be. No need to do these questions. Yes. Do beta. This question here. Question number 6.5. Question number beta is 6.5. What question says? The expression given below shows the variation of velocity v with time t. Right. So v is equals to at square plus bt by c plus t. The dimensions of a, b, and c they are asking. Very good, yeah. Interesting, beta. Will do. No, beta, if we'll do not these kind of regular questions here, then you will remember the, I can say, bacha, entire year, the things. So what is bacha party? 2025. JEE bacha 2025. JEE bacha 2025. So this is what you can see velocity, which is equals to at square plus bt by beta g c plus t. Find dimensions of A, B, and C. Find dimensions of A, B, and C is. Beta options I'm writing beta. This is m to the power 0, L to the power 2, T to the power minus 2. Bombay student, m to the power 0, L to the power 1, T to the power minus 3. But as you can add higher, m to the power 0, L to the power 2, T to the power minus 3. Daily beta forever green. M to the power 0, L to the power 1, T to the power minus 2. But this is the question here. Okay. Come, my dear. Have a look of the solution of these questions. What is student? Very simple here. Very simple. We wish to find A, B, and C. We wish to find A, B, and C. Simple beta. Be quick here. V is equals to AT square. We'll get A from here only. This implies A is equals to V by T square. You can write here velocity is what? Meter per second square. So you can say meter upon second to the power Q. So this is, you can say L1 T to the power minus 3. This is what my kids, L1 t to the power minus 3. Okay, V beta. Then you can say, bacha, sir, V is equals to beta, V is equals to beta, you can say BT upon C plus T. But you know, beta, these are in ratio here. These two are in what? Ratio. If they are in ratio, bacha ji, then what can we do? If they are in ratio, bacha, then what can we do here? Think once. Because this is the condition here. This is what fits. You can say condition for the questions here. Right. So beta ji, for this condition, how can we do here? B and C. That is challenge for us. Beta, one interesting here. You know, this is what both are in summation. As I said here, we can add and subtract same quantity only. C, so you can simply get beta. C is equals to T. So what is here? You can simply write, sir, C is equals to T to the power 1. C is equals to T to the power 1. Now beta, we have to find B only. We have to find B only, right? So, Bachaji, how can we find B here? How can we find B, Bachapati? Tell me. Because beta, I know these two are constants here. So you can write bacha these terms here. V is equals to B into T by C. We can write beta like this here because these two are summation, bacha. Dimension remains same only. What we wanted, dimensions only. So you can do like this. Okay, beta B wanted to find here. So you can say B is equals to V into C by T. So first you can say, sir, this is and this is cancelled because C also T and T also T here. So finally you can write V is equals to means B is equals to beta. This implies V only. So dimension formula I can say L1 T to the power minus 1. Beta, we wanted product here A, B and C. My kids, we wanted product here A, B and C. A, B and C. A beta how much? Got it. Yes, Nayar. This is L1 T to the power minus 3. A. B is what? L2 T to the power, sorry, I did here, minus 1. Then beta, C is what? T only. T to the power 1. So this is cancelled. L2 T minus 3. L2 T minus 3. Okay, correct beta. Beta, Vaidik, your answer correct here. Correct, option C only, bacha. Correct beta, option C here. N to the power 0, L to the power 2, T to the power minus 3. T to the power minus 3. Very good here. Vaidik, you and me only learning here. There are maybe 4 or 5 candidate. I don't know. Sometime. So only me and you are, we both are just only learning physics. Okay, very good. Enjoy here. Enjoy beta. Okay, next beta. Have a look here. Next question. My kids, have a look at next questions here. So this is, I can say, beta, very challengeable here. So we pretty sure we have to make grip of these kind of questions. Yes, yeah. This question already yesterday I solved. Hmm. Yes, I got it. Beta. 2024. Yes, I got two questions here. Now kids, JEE 2024. What is the question, bacha? Beta, F force. F is equals to force is represented ax square plus b t to the power 1 by 2. T to the power 1 by 2. Beta, here what we wish to find it, just I'll tell you, dimensions of b square by a. Find dimensions of dimensions of V square by A. Find dimensions of B square by A. Okay, I'll write here once. Option M1, L2, quickly fast here because we have very short time. M1, L2, T minus 3, Bombay beta, M1, L minus 1, T minus 1, beta G Canada, M1, L1, T minus 2, Delhi beta, forever green, and with pollution a lot, L to the power 3, T to the power minus 3. This is the beta questions here, right? Sir, is X, X in meter only. X is X beta, X is in meter only beta. X, yes beta, Vedic. X is in meter. I'm also solving here because Vedic and me only learning here. Today we both are very much active. I'm also always active here, but I can say today Vedic very much active here because in 12th, you and me only. In 11th, you and me only. Easy. Easy peasy easy. What bacha? In solution there. What is the solution kits? Simple. You can equate bacha in summation here. All units are the same only. So F is equals to x square. F is equals to x square. Beta will get A. A is equals to F upon x square. I'll write here directly formula of dimensional formula of force. This is what? M1 L1 T minus 2 upon beta L2 here. Kupach beta. M1 L minus 1 T minus 2. You can say here it's equivalent to pressure dimensional formula. Okay. Then we are again you can do this one here. F is equals to B to the power 1 by 2. So we wish to find B square. Interesting. First here right here. B is equals to F upon T to the power 1 by 2. But do a square here. So B square is equals to F square upon time. T only. F square what you can see? F square what you can see? This is what? M2 L2 T to the power minus 4 upon 1 TR. So we can write beta G for B square is equals to M2 L2 T to the power minus 5. Simply beta, just divide here. Last part of the questions. Last part I'm doing here. Yeah. This is what? B square by A. It's B square already here. B square by A. So B square M to the power 2 L to the power 2 T to the power minus 5. And what is A? M1 L minus 1 T minus 2. So this is what beta? M1 L minus 3. M1 L3. Oh, wonderful. Option D is correct. Very good, Vedic beta. Vedic beta. Very good here. Vedic beta. Very good here. Okay. Do beta. Vedic next question here. 2024. J2024. What which I can see energy here. I don't have time to just go through entire year. Energy is equals to beta. You can take energy is equals to B minus x square upon A into T. Energy is equals to B minus x square upon A into T. But what we have to find? Dimensions of find dimension, find dimensions of find dimensions of A into B. Option I can tell beta. Options I can tell beta. Vedic. This is what m to the power minus 1, L to the power 0, T to the power 1. Bombay. M to the power 1, L to the power minus 2, T to the power 0. Canada. This is m to the power minus 1, beta L to the power 2, T to the power 1. Beta daily forever green here. This is what my kids m to the power minus 1, L to the power minus 2, and this is what T to the power 1. This is beta condition here, right? So we have to solve here. Enjoy. Now beta, have a look here, solution. You can see beta, A is equals to B minus x square. I'm writing here questions A by T. And you know, these two are in summation, subtraction. So first beta, the talo square. So you can say B is equals to x square. So x is length here, T is a time, keep in your mind. So you can say meter square. This implies dimensions of V beta, we got it here. L to the power 2. But we have to just find, I can see this one here. Right. So you can see, bacha, these two have the same dimensions. These two have the same dimension here. So you can write here, this is what A. And what is dimension? This is what you can say L square. A bacha, this is what time T here. We wish to find A. A beta, what you can say L square by E into T. This is remains beta L square here. Energy, what you can say M1 L2 T minus 2, and this is T. Kopach. So A you can say bacha m to the power minus 1 T to the power beta minus plus 1 here. Minus 1 here, plus 1, plus 1. So we used to find A into B. So A bacha ji m to the power minus 1 T to the power 1. And what is B bacha? L square here. L square. So you can say m minus 1 L2 T1. Any option there beta? Vedic. Oh, Vedic, you already answered. Okay. M minus 1 L2 T1. Correct beta, Vedic. Me also beta, same answer here. Canada is correct answer. Beta ji, Canada is correct answer. Beta ji, Canada is correct answer. Okay. Next beta, 2023 here. Now we are going to enter into what? 2023. 2 years beta we finished. Okay. So this is what my kids. JEE 2023. JEE 2023. What's the question, kids? See once here. This is what beta. Read once questions. Force, velocity, and time are considered as a fundamental physical quantity. Then dimensional formula of density. Okay, density is a function of these all things. Easy peasy teasy. You can do beta. You can do bacha. What question bacha ji? I can say first part. Density depends on what? Force. So you can say beta force to the power A, and this is what? Beta velocity to the power B, And next is what? You can say time to the power c. Simple here. We have to find what is the answer correct here. So this is what? F to the f2 v to the power minus 2 t to the power 6. Bombay beta f into v to the power minus 2 t to the power 2. Beta ji Canada here. F v to the power 4 t to the power minus 6. Daily are forever green with pollution. F into v to the power minus 4 and t to the power minus 2. Okay, also beta first here. Also beta first here, then I'll do the beta answer of these questions. Come, my kids. Okay. So same beta as usual. Write down dimensional formula both sides here. So first I'll write beta one time equations. Rho is equals to force to the power A, beta velocity to the power V, time to the power c. Beta, what's the first step? Write down both side dimensional formula, kids. So what is dimensional formula? You can say kilogram. It's unit here. All right. This is what? M1 L to the power minus 3. It's a dimensional formula, beta density force here. You can write M1 L1 t minus 2 to the power a. Beta the velocity you can write L t minus 1 to the power v. Now you can say this is what? T to the power c. T to the power c. Okay. Woman, Jai Sri Krishna. How are you? After very, very long time, I'm looking you. I'm very happy to see. What's going on nowadays, woman? Very good wire. I can see Bone was coming that time. That is very good. He's a good boy. So, bacha, woman nowadays, what are you doing? Did you join any college? Okay, you are, but good, good, good. Happy to hear. You are fine. Did you join any college, kids? What's the plans going on nowadays? Okay, have a look, beta, my dear. But just separate here, keep separate identical quantity each other, both of the sides. This is what? M1 beta, L to the power minus 3. Now, students, M we have here only. There is no terms of M. So, you can say M to the power A. Then, bacha, you can say L here we have L to the power A plus B. Time beta G, you can say minus 2A minus B plus C. Finish here. In step 2, students, equate exponent of same index. So you can write m to the power 1 in LHS is equals to my kids m to the power a. We got here. We got a is equals. Jai Sri Samjit Kira, how you got delay here? Now time class going to finish here within I can say 5 to 10 minutes. Now you're joining the class. Jitkira, there is one boy, Vedic came. Vedic literally a very good candidate. He was responding. He is responding here. I can say almost each and every questions. Then tomorrow will fall na Jitkira. Then who will carry you? Tell A is equals to 1 beta. Now here we have LHS, L to the power minus 3 bacha. And here A to the power A plus B here. So you can write bacha L to the power minus 3, which is equals to beta. You can say L to the power A plus B. So you can write A plus B is equals to minus 3. A beta we got already found here. So you can say B is equals to minus 2. Beta A and B beta we found. What we have to find? C basically, right? So you can see that we don't have any terms of time in LHS. So you can say basically what? T to the power 0. You can say bacha T to the power 0. Which is equals to my kids? T to the power minus 2a minus b plus c. So here you can write here minus 2a minus b plus c is equals to 0. A you can write here 1. A is equals to 1, so you can see this is minus 2 and b is equals to minus 2 here. So minus minus plus 2. Oh, so c is coming 0. C is coming 0. But here there is no option. Think. There is no option here. A plus b is equals to minus 3, correct? B is equals to minus 2, correct? V is equals to minus 2, we have option. This is option. But C is not coming to how? A is equals to minus 1. So minus 2A, correct only? And B is equals to minus 2. So minus minus plus 2. C is coming 0. B value 4, sir. B value 4. How 4, beta? Oh, Buman beta, God bless you for correction. Buman beta, correct here. B value 4. It's a minus 4 here. So you can say it's a plus 4. So C is equals to 2. C is equals to 2. C is equals to minus 2. I'll write here all together. A is equals to 1. B is equals to minus 4. And C is equals to minus 2. Correct here. I'll see any option is there. D is correct answer. C is minus 2. Correct, 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 correct. Beta Vedic. Correct, beta Vedic. Buman, correct. Buman Vedic. So Vedic, your answer is what? Which option? Buman. D correct answer. Correct. Correct, beta. Buman. Correct here. Very good. Beta, Bombay is a what? I can say correct answer. Very good. Sorry, bad. Delhi is correct answer here. Interesting here. There are many competitors now. I can see beta Vedic, you are also in 12th class. Buman 12th pass here. Right. Or maybe both of you dropper. I don't know. But Buman is dropper, I can say. I'm pretty because I knew about Buman. Buman, I can say uh, he's I can say old student. I knew about him. Now what's about it? Next question here. So now you're finally be in third, I can say 2023 bacha. Fine. Same pattern of question I'll not do. Same pattern of questions I'll not do. Interesting. It's a new question for us here. Interesting bacha. It's a new question for us. Do. JEE 2022. JEE 2022. What's mention party? An expression is given here. An expression of energy density is given. Keep in mind. An expression of energy density. An expression of energy density, which is equals to alpha by beta sine of alpha x upon kt, where alpha, beta are constants. X is displacement, K is a Boltzmann constant, and T is the temperature. Keep in your mind. T is the temperature. Find dimension of beta. I did this question today in classroom. Find beta z dimensions of beta. I'll write option bacha woman, but here everyone we do here. We to calculate bacha body. Students, this is m to the power 1, L to the power 2, T to the power minus 2, theta, there is mentioned a temperature to the power minus 1. Option 1. Then Bombay air, beta m to the power 0, L to the power 2, T to the power minus 2. Beta G, Canada air, m to the power 0, L to the power 0, T to the power 0. Last year, Delhi evergreen, but with pollution is very much here. You can say m to the power 0, L to the power 2, T to the power 0. But this is the question here. 27 July, second shift in 2022. Bowman sir, yes sir, I'm your old student. Yes, yes, beta, I knew it. I knew it, Bowman beta. Okay, now, come beta, everyone answered me for this question also beta. Woman, Badik, three we are, I can say, active here. Maybe one more candidate joined, Jeet, but Jeet is not responded any questions till now. Okay, come beta, have a solution here. In this question, beta, not only I can say we'll just solve the question here, we'll learn many things also, bacha, for these questions. U beta, what means an energy density here? U beta G is energy density here. Alpha by beta, sine of what you can say? Alpha x by k into t. Beta, be pretty sure here. Sir, you know, sine theta is a dimensionless quantity. Sine theta is what? Dimensionless quantity. But this terms here, I can say 1. This entire terms beta, I can say 1 here. So in this question, step 1 beta, first I'll find here alpha from this expression. Sine is dimensionless. It's a true, agreed. This part beta, I can say, but we can use here alpha into x upon k into t, which is equals to 1. Simply you can write bacha ji. This is what alpha. Alpha is equals to k into t upon x. I'll use here directly. No need to find this, sorry, because further they will cancel here. Or you know beta, kt here. Kt is equals to what? It's nothing here. It's energy only. You know how beta woman? I can tell you. I can tell you beta Vedic. It's 11th class beta Vedic. No, according to law of EQ partition. Vedic beta, according to law of EQ partition, beta, maybe you remember, U is equals to beta half of KT. Half beta, you know, it's a dimensionless. So simply you can write beta G K into T. It's nothing, sir. It's basically U. And U is what? You can say, sir, this is what? Basically energy. U is what, my kids? Energy here. Very good question. Come beta. Click for the question here is highly required. Okay, so we can say here alpha. Alpha is equals to U upon X. But leave it here only here. Because ultimately we have to find a beta here. So we can say bacha bati in step 2. U is equals to alpha by beta. U beta alpha by beta here. So you can say beta is equals to alpha by U. Beta is equals to alpha by U. Sir, is it Katie's chapter? Yes, woman. Energy density is a normal thing, beta. Energy per unit volume. But I can say KT is a part of KTG, beta. KT is woman beta, part of option B, I think. I'll tell beta, Vedic. I'm calculating Vedic beta. Just give me chance here to solve further. So you can say beta, that is what? Beta is equal to alpha by U. Alpha beta we already found. This is what? Energy per unit length. And this is energy density here. You can say energy per unit volume. Energy per unit volume here. Right. This thing beta yesterday I explained everyone how this is. U Kopach. So beta volume what you can say? L to the power 3 by L here. Kopach. So beta nothing here. It's L2. Oh, D option is correct. Not beta Vedic. Vedic beta option D is correct. Vedic my dear option D is correct. Not beta Bombay. Delhi is correct here. Vedic beta Delhi is correct answer for these questions. I hope done kids. Everyone. Very good here. Yes. These kind of questions are a little tough here. We have to practice more for these kind of questions, right? Hmm. But the same question here. They repeated in JE too. This is twice. Twice. This is beta. I can say twice here. They ask. So beta got it. Okay, beta. Vedic. Jeet ki ra. Okay, Jeet correct. Option D is correct. D is correct answer. Okay, beta. Have a look, my dear. Next question here. Yes, beta. Next question, kids. So, what is the next question? I'll not to repeat telecast questions here. Repeat telecast, but time pass play here. Do beta. 2022. Do beta G 2022. Students again here. This is JEE beta 2022. But I know wonder wall equation. P plus A by V square of V minus V is equal to RT. But P is pressure, V is volume, and T is temperature. Find A by V. The ratio of constants. Find A by B. Beta, we have to find A by B, right? So students, option first, you can say P by V, Bombay, V by P, Canada, P into V. And Delhi bacha, this is P V to the power Q. P V to the power Q. Come beta. Anyone answering me? Sir, do you have a ray optics video uploaded? Ray optics beta Vedic. Yes, uploaded. Yes, beta Vedic. I uploaded for Vedic. Mm, what is? Lanes. Maybe entire beta. You can check once beta. You can check once beta. Maybe you will get it. You will beta get it here. Yes, beta, you will get it. So come beta for solutions. Students, this is what in summation here. It's a very repeated concept, students. So you can say P is equals simply here A by V square. Or if not beta, then I'll make beta your class. If you beta wanted na anything, bacha, those are watching me. Any topic of physics, if you wanted help, bacha, anytime you can just write your concern in comment box. If I'll get bacha, definitely back to you. Yes, beta. If anyone wanted a lecture on ray optics, I'll take lecture. I'll take my dear. P is equals to A by B square here. So simply you can say this is what A is equals to P into V square. So P is a pressure here. V is a volume. Pressure, what's the unit here? M1 L minus 1 T to the power minus 2. And it's volume square beta. So you can say here L to the power 6. So dimensions of A you can write which are M1 L to the power 5 T to the power minus 2. M1 L to the power 5 T to the power minus 2. Now bacha party next year. You can say V is equals to B. So B beta L to the power Q. So B is to find here, I can say A by B. I'll step out here. Step 1, step 2. Because yeah, this is thing that are required for those new students. If anyone wanted to watch the video, then he can easily understand here. Step 3, bacha. Beta B is to find what A by B. So what is A, bacha? M to the power 1, L to the power 5, T to the power minus 2. Beta kopach. You can say M1 L2 T to the power minus 2. M1 L2 T to the power minus 2. Any option? Oh, they answer in terms of this here. What is the answer? B by P or V. V by P, no. You can say P into B is correct answer. Option C. Option C ne beta. C na. What is the pressure? C is correct answer. Because P into B. Pressure is what? M1, L minus 1, T minus 2. Correct? LQ. Canada is correct answer. Vedic beta, think once. Beta ji, Canada is correct answer. P by B, how beta possible here? P by beta not possible. This is what will goes up here. So minus 1, again minus 3, minus 4. No kids. Correct beta, Jeet. Correct, yeah. C is a correct answer. C is a correct answer. I can see Jeet beta Vedic in he is in 11th class. Jeet is in 11th class. Okay. Very good, bacha. Now yeah, have a look next. JEE 2021. This is what my kids JEE 2021. But this is I can say, but I mention expression of force. Expression of force here. F is equals to A cos of Vx plus C sine of D into T. F is equals to A cos of Vx beta. A, B, C all are constant. X is a distance and T is a time. Dimensional formula of find dimensional formula of that is A D by B. Find dimensional formula of students A D by D. Okay, I'll write option here so that now all of you can answer here. Otherwise, it's very tough to type in. I can say chat box. M2 beta L to the power 2 T to the power minus 3. Bombay beta G M to the power 1 L to the power 1 T to the power minus 2. Beta G Canada yaar. My kids M to the power 0 L1 T minus 1. Delhi yaar forever green M1 L2 T minus 3. Come kids. Right answer, beta. Everyone here, voice in the chat box only. Right. Okay. I'm solving here. What's my solution? Or you can also solve. Solution बच्चा party. F is equals to this plus this. So beta first I'll write here F is equals to A A into simple here. You can say first F is equals to A and F is equals to C. So B is to find A in here. So we'll get first here. F is equals to A. So A dimensional formula you can say M1 L1 T minus 2 beta first one. Then beta cos of bx here. So we can write here b into x is equals to 1. Cos bx is dimensionless, true only. But b into x you can write now beta. So you can write here b is equals to 1 by x. This implies dimensional formula of b is equals to L to the power minus 1. Okay. Last year d. So you can see in bacha party. If you see here, no need to worry. You can simply write here. That is what I'll do beta step out beta. Step 1, 2, step 3. So this is what d into t is equals to 1 here. D is equals to 1 by t. So this is what t to the power minus 1. D is equals to beta what you can see t to the power minus 1. Last beta, which is step 4 here for the questions. So what about beta step 4 here? Beta just do finalize here. According to questions, A, D by B. A what we found? This is A. M1, L1, T minus 2. And what is D? T minus 1 upon B here. L to the power minus 1. Will goes up. Beta positive. So you can say M1, L2, M1, L2, T to the power minus 3. M1, L2, T to the power minus 3. M1, L2, T to minus 3. Daily. Forever green. Repeat, sir. Which option I have to repeat my kids? What is the point I have to repeat my kids? Uh, Tell me once. Jeet, beta, what is the point I have to repeat? Can you tell me, please? Jeet, beta, what is the point I have to repeat? Can you tell me, please? Simple, na, beta. You know, if we have a idea, any equations here in this format. So what is the logic, kids? I taught you yesterday night, because it was not there. Beta G, this is summation of this part and this part if we have. So either you can equate this part is equals to this or this part is equals to this. But before that, beta, you can equate here. This is the force is equals to A first. So that we can get value of A easily from here only. Then beta, you know, this is cos of bx. Cos of bx entire terms is what? You can see dimensionless. But b into x, this is not a dimensionless. B into x, this is not a dimensionless. We can equate bacha. B into x, which is equals to 1. Then, my dear, you can say sine dt. Again here, dimensionless. Sir, chat delay is there. Chat, I didn't get it. What is the, where is chat delay, beta? Magic. Option daily is correct answer. Vedic, yes, you answered. Options D only. You answered option D, bacha. Okay, very good here. So this is beta, I can say J2021 here. Tab we have to solve at least one questions of J2020 because in thumbnail I mentioned here J till 2020 here. So at least I have to do one more questions, right? I'm giving beta one more question, bacha. I can say Badik and Jeet. Now both of you I can say active here in chat session. So you can better try this question at home here. This is homework. uh, JEE my kids 2021. JEE my kids 2021. Beta, it's homework, yeah. It's homework, beta. Okay. What's the question, beta? But it's a good question, yeah. Beta, expression of work done is mentioned. It's W, what implies expression of work done. So beta, I can say work done is what? Work done, students, alpha beta square exponential to the power minus x square by alpha k into t. K into t. Find dimension of beta. Find dimension of beta. Find dimension of beta. Okay, I'm writing option. Beta, Vaidik and Jeet. If you wanted to try this question here, then you can do here because this is a new format for me. It's for all of you. Because I didn't discuss about exponential factor questions. If you wanted here, then I can explain these questions here. If you wanted to try yourself at home, then yeah, you can treat this question as homework. It's better. Now A, that is beta, I can say Bombay. This is M0 L, and this is what? T0. Now students, I can say it's Canada M1 L2 T minus 2. Sir, exponential is the dimensionless, right? S. Yes, beta, dimension. Same approach you can apply, bacha party. This is dimensionless, but beta, you can equate here. This entire terms is equals to 1. You can e you can equate, my dear, this entire terms is equals to 1 here. So, if you want to try beta, then you can try. Otherwise, you can take this question as a what? Homework questions here. Right. Okay. Now it's at least I have to do one question here. J2020. J2020, but I'll do easy question here. I'll do easy question here. Right. J2020. This is homework question, beta. J2020. Uh, find dimensional find dimensional formula of thermal conductivity. Find dimensional formula of thermal conductivity. Right. Do everyone here. If you wanted options here, then I can give you option 1. But this is the last question beta for today class. M1 L T minus 2 Kelvin to the power minus 2. Oh, my black pen finished here. I don't know how can I arrange your class tomorrow. Because you know, beta, I brought up this pen from Bangalore, right? I tried in this locality, but I couldn't tear. And blue pen is not much sufficient for visibility. It's not much sufficient for visibility. Okay, beta option C. That is what my kids M1 L1 T minus 3, and this is what Kelvin. Last option, students. You can say M1 L T minus 2, and this is K. Okay, anyone from all of you answer me these questions here? Last question for today class. That is what my kids. Simple here. We wish to find dimensional formula. We wish to find dimensional formula of thermal conductivity. This is, I can say, which are options. Okay, I'll see beta Vedic once beta, then I'll tell you. But I'm using formula here. This is dq by dt, which is what? Minus ka dt by dx. But we wish to find k here. This is what you can say what. So you can say what into meter square Kelvin is equals to k. Kopach. So you can say beta what meter Kelvin. What you can write joule per second here. M1 L2 T minus 3. L to the power minus 1. And this is Kelvin inverse is equals to K. Is equals to K. So you can do bacha. Final answer M1 L1 T minus 3 Kelvin inverse. Oh, what is the answer here? Tell me anyone. M1 L1 T minus 3 Kelvin inverse. M1 L1 T minus 3. Yes, Bombay. What is the answer? Correct here. Option C. Bombay, beta Vedic. Vedic beta Bombay is correct answer. There is, I can say option C, there is not a Kelvin inverse. It's a Kelvin only. It's not a Kelvin inverse beta. It's a Kelvin only here. Right. So this is Bombay is correct answer. My mission for today is totally successful. Okay, good beta. Beta, yaar, I'm very happy to see bacha all of your interest. Okay, bacha, very good. Beta, I can see your work performance. I can say excellent here. Vedic. Now, students, I'm going to terminate the class. God bless you all. Stay at physics point. Definitely you will get benefit.